As winter approaches and temperatures drop, finding the perfect heater becomes a top priority for many. This Honeywell 360-degree surround fan forced heater is a game-changer in the world of portable heating. Designed for small to mid-sized rooms, this heater combines energy efficiency, safety, and performance to deliver unmatched warmth and comfort. In this detailed review, we'll explore why the Honeywell 360-degree heater deserves a spot in your home or office. From its advanced safety features to its cost-saving capabilities, you'll discover why this compact heater stands out. 1. All-around warmth with 360-degree heat output. The Honeywell 360-degree surround heater isn't your average space heater. It delivers 360-degree heat output, ensuring even and consistent warmth throughout the room. Fan force technology. This feature spreads heat evenly across the space, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and small living areas. Adjustable thermostat. You can easily set the temperature to your preference, ensuring personalized comfort. 2 heat settings. Choose between low and high heat settings, depending on your needs and the size of the room. With its all-around warmth, this heater ensures there are no cold spots, keeping you cozy in every corner of the room. 2. Advanced safety features for peace of mind. Safety is a key concern when it comes to portable heaters, and the Honeywell 360-degree heater excels in this area. Here's what makes it one of the safest options on the market. 360-degree tip-over switch. Automatically shuts off the heater if it's accidentally tipped over, preventing potential hazards. Overheat protection. Comes with dual overheat protection to ensure the unit doesn't get too hot. Cool touch handle. Allows you to move the heater safely, even when it's running. Auto-off timer option. Set the timer to turn off the heater automatically, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. These features make the Honeywell heater an excellent choice for homes with children, pets, or anyone who values safety. 3. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Rising heating bills can be a concern during the colder months, but the Honeywell 360-degree heater offers a solution. Energy-saving design. By using this heater to warm specific rooms, you can reduce your reliance on central heating systems. Cost savings. According to Honeywell, this heater can help save up to $276 annually on heating costs. Smart savings tip. Use the adjustable thermostat to maintain optimal energy efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Not only does this heater provide warmth, but it also helps you save money in the long run. 4. Compact and portable design. The Honeywell 360-degree surround heater is designed with convenience in mind. Lightweight build, easy to carry and move from one room to another. Compact size. Its small footprint makes it perfect for tight spaces like dorm rooms, offices, or bedrooms. Cool touch carry handle. Ensures safe and effortless transportation, even when the heater is in use. This portable heater is perfect for those who need a flexible heating solution without the bulk of traditional units. 5. Versatile usage for year-round comfort. While primarily designed as a heater, the Honeywell 360-degree surround fan forced heater doubles as a fan during warmer months. Dual functionality. Use the fan mode for cooling during summer, making it a year-round appliance. Ideal for multiple spaces. Whether you're working in an office, lounging in the living room, or sleeping in your bedroom, this heater adapts to your needs. This versatility makes the Honeywell heater a practical investment for all seasons. 6. What sets Honeywell apart? Honeywell is a trusted name in home appliances, known for its commitment to quality and innovation. With the 360-degree surround heater, the brand continues its legacy by offering durability. Built to last, this heater ensures long-term performance. Zest reliable performance. Provides consistent heat output without frequent maintenance. Eco-friendly operation. Designed to reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. When you choose Honeywell, you're investing in a product backed by decades of expertise and customer trust. Why should you buy the Honeywell 360-degree heater? If you're still on the fence, here's a summary of why this heater stands out. 1. 360-degree heat output. Ensures even warmth across the entire room. 2. Safety features. Dual overheat protection, tip-over switch, and more. 3. Energy efficiency. Save money on heating bills while staying warm. 4. Portability. Lightweight, compact, and easy to move. 5. Year-round use. Doubles as a fan for summer cooling. This heater is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, safe, and cost-effective heating solution. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.